We bought UNH. There's a big demand zone here, very heavily transacted. I was looking for 314 hold, took the inside bar breakout into the 21 here. We're looking for 374. It is not too late to get into this trade at all. The volume profile looks fantastic. Once we clear 344.50, we have volume gap fill 351, 365, and 374. This trade's looking great. The main thing I've been working on in this market is, the old adage, let your winners run, cut your losers quickly. So, in terms of overall positioning, still very much long Cardinal Health. It's up about 30-40% now. Caterpillar from the 440s, still looking for that move to 620. Took a new long here PR. I love this weekly base. I like to trade big base breakouts. Consolidate over long periods of time. Still looking for $80-$90 on this one. And there's just a lot of opportunity there. We're dealing with if you're a swing trader and a day trader, you're dealing with like two very different realities. As a swing trader, what's working for me is the IPO bases. Some of these IPO-based breakouts are freaking insane. Yesterday we had LFS, just went from $5.75 to $12. So that's been, and you see a lot of these IPO bases just, our original buy point here in MIAX, I'm already out of this, was $38, and it just perfect mean regression channel all the way to 49.60, which was our target. So a lot of these IPO based breakouts are working really, really well, and then big, well participated in base, especially for sectors that haven't gotten a lot of love, healthcare, industrials. These sectors are getting a lot of positive attention. It's making a big difference. Paymentus Holdings is one I've been watching for 3 months, and look at this base we're building here. I mean, this is just absolutely gorgeous. Once we clear 40-43, I'm looking for $40-$50 out of this thing. Absolutely amazing. NU, another very, very bullish base here. I believe we didn't trigger NU long yet, but this is the kind of chart I absolutely love. So a lot of these financials, Schwab, we went long today on the break of the declining tops line right here. This one is looking fantastic. Also, Interactive Broker is not looking bad, but I really like this Schwab chart. I'm looking for $136 on this one. SCDG, we posted this one on Sunday for our traders. A lot of people day traded this one. You're getting some rejection at the 48.30. I'm buying this dip, and I'm looking for 69.77. ALH, Alliance Laundry Holdings. We called this one a couple of weeks ago for a long, and I'm upside target $32. SMTC, Semtech, it's electronics and technology. I'm looking for a right base to hold and then add through 94.42. GSAT, we called it over the weekend for an inside bar breakout. And look at what you got here. You got a 10-point move in 3 days. Absolutely insane. Wayfair, with potential China deal on the horizon, right? We called Walmart and Wayfair for a couple of weeks already. This one has 100 points left in the bag, in my opinion. You got really thin profile all the way to 174, and then some potential sellers at 232, maybe some overhead supply there. EOSC, this one needs to base some more, but I believe this EOSC is seeing all-time highs in the next 3-4 weeks. Open, these are an example of a really technical trade, weekly buy setup, right? But if you look at the and I'm a big fan of profiling markets here. Okay, caught up to anchor view upheld, and your 3 point of control. Once you get through the structure, you get 1004, 1087, easy peasy. Ryanair, we called this one back in October. It popped, it held, and we called for another long trade through 6407. Now we're looking for 66 and maybe $80. I see a lot of opportunities in this market. Timing it has been more difficult. It is interactive brokers. Mamma mia. Look at this breakouts through $73. This looks incredible. You have, in my opinion, if you take the measured move in the tops line, you got room to $99, So, I mean, I could go on, but my point is, this is very much a stock picker's market. You have to be keenly aware of the track you're on. As a day trader, I trade names that if my mother found out I was trading GLTO with 30,000 shares, she would probably disown me. But yeah, I always tell my traders a joke. Don't tell Monica. She's my room moderator. But when it comes to swing trading this market, there's a lot of neglected sectors that have been building massive recumulative bases over months or sometimes years that are ready to go. So that's what I'm focusing on the swing side.